Okay, students, we will see in this particular video that what are the various contents of your unit number 3, unit number 6, and in which way you are going to tackle the things for getting good marks or for getting at least passing marks. Whatever the points which are included in this vehicles and the specifications unit, you have to concentrate on vehicles classification of automobiles, on which basis what are the various parameters which are responsible for its classification. Okay, depending on its fuel, depending on its usage of for what purpose it is carrying, goods transport, for the transport of passengers, like that one. I don't remember that. That is very important one. You can remember it for two-wheelers, you can remember it for four-wheelers, for light motor vehicles. Okay, cars, multi-axle vehicles, trucks, etc. You have to remember the specifications of it also. That what is the kind of engine is used in there, what is the clutch, what are the various types of brakes, what are the various engine specifications in it, what are the various kinds of gearbox and all the details, everything, length, width, height, wheelbase, the clearance from the ground, everything. Try to remember it. Engine also, try to remember the various engine components, its functions. Then important thing, introduction to electric and hybrid vehicles and its differences. Try to remember what are the various types of electric vehicles, what are the various types of hybrid vehicles. Okay, cost analysis, already I have talked about this one in my earlier video as well as in classroom sessions. Depending on what are the facilities, or what are the things which are provided one in a vehicle, and according to that one the cost changes as per the quality of the component as well as the facility which is available one in it. So try to work out on that one. In case of vehicle systems, try to concentrate on the chassis layouts. Its two-dimensional figures are a very important one. Then the systems like steering, suspension, braking, cooling, fuel injection, all these systems. Don't go in very details. First of all, what do you mean by a system? What are the various components of the system? What are their functions? And any one type. In steering system, the Ackermann steering gear mechanism is important one. In suspension system, the telescopic shock absorber is important one. In braking system, disc and drum brakes are important one. In cooling system, thermosiphon cooling system is important one. Fuel injection system and fuel supply system for the petrol as well as diesel engines. Try to remember that. Study of electric and hybrid vehicles, whatever we have studied in unit number 3, it's extension of that one only. Some numericals you will get on simple velocity ratio of gearbox. Try to, and this power system is very important one, in which you are having the engine, then transmission system, gearbox, propeller shaft, the clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, with the hooks, joints, differentials, like that one. Try to remember the simple functions of it. That is very important one. To practice about the numericals, simple numericals related to the gear ratio. This already have told you: propeller shaft, universal joint, differential gearbox. Some vehicle safety, active as well as passive safety systems, you need to learn: seats, seat belts, airbags, anti-lock braking system, like that one. Try to remember the basic function, basic structure of it in a block diagram manner, and try to have the application of it in simple manner. Unit number 5 is associated with introduction to manufacturing. The conventional manufacturing processes like casting, forging, metal forming, it may be sheet metal drawing as well as sheet metal forming. Then the metal cutting processes, turning machine, that is a lathe machine, milling machine, drilling machine, as well as certain micro, these are the new machines or technologies are due to manufacturing, 3D printing techniques, reconfigurable manufacturing systems, and IoT. A very short introduction to all these topics are necessary. You will get a 3-mark question on this particular topic. So try to concentrate on these topics which are included in this unit number 5 of manufacturing processes. And last unit is somewhat very interesting, which is of engineering mechanisms and their applications in domestic application appliances. Now here, very simple thing is that there may be specification of a refrigerator, specification of a vacuum pump, specification of a purifier, or what are the various important things as far as pumps, how the pump work, how the blower work, or where is its application. As far as blowers are considered, one in case of a chimney, or in case of vacuum cleaners, where the springs are used, in case of watches, in case of clocks, where the gears are used. Okay, in case of printers, in case of Xerox machines. So these applications, whatever that are important one, and that should be in very simple manner with that block diagram. You can try to explain it. What do you mean by it's how it works in short, and how these things are helping in converting one form of thing into another form with the help of this particular machines. So here it has been specified that the definition and function and a simple schematic sketch of construction and working is required as well as the applications are considered. Explain equipment with its sketch working and application like pump, blower, compressor. Here the single acting compressor is important one. What do you mean by various kinds of belts and pulley? That is open belt pulley, closed belt, open belt drive, closed belt drives as well as pulley systems. Chain sprocket used in bicycles, balls which are used in case of the taps, whatever which are available one. Levers, that there is a first kind of lever, second kind of lever, like that one. Some small examples you may be getting, that is what do you mean by input output efficiency, depending on the air conditioner, refrigerator, or maybe electric iron, pump, microwave, how they are working, that is important one. You need to remember the definitions, what do you mean by input output mechanical efficiency, simple examples to calculate input and output power mechanical efficiency or COP of refrigerator may be asked in final examinations. You need to remember the applications where the compressors are used in refrigerator, water coolers, split AC, pumps, water pump or overhead tanks, water filter, or purifier, blower in vacuum cleaner and kitchen chimney. Motors are used in fans, exhaust fans, washing machines. Springs are used in door closer, door locks. Gears are used in wall clocks, watches, printers. You need to remember the applications, how it is used, and very simple mechanism of it. Belt and pulley or chain in sprocket, photocopier, bicycle, etc. Walls, water tap, etc. Lever, store latch, brake pedals, etc. Electric or solar energy, that is geyser, water heater, electric iron, etc. Simple numerical or efficiency in calculations. Now these numericals are based on this calculate input power, output power, and mechanical efficiency. A simple numerical will be based on certain simple inputs which are available one, through numerical. COP calculation of refrigerator, overall efficiency of water pump for overhead tank, power transmission capacity of gears, electric motor efficiency, efficiency and power transmission capacity of belt drive. A very small example of 2 to 3 marks will be asked only on this particular topic. So try to go through all these details from unit number 3 to 4, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is, 3 is of vehicles, vehicles and its specifications. Unit number 3 is of vehicles and its specifications. Unit number unit number 3 is of vehicles and its specifications. Unit number 4 is of vehicles and its systems. Unit number 5 is of manufacturing processes. Unit number 6 is of the mechanisms and its applications, various mechanisms, engineering mechanisms and its application. So try to remember all these things. It's very important one to get either good marks or passing marks. So try to, whatever I have told it now, go through that one and try to be specific, try to draw the figures, important one, simple sketches of block diagrams, name it properly, and through it read the function of it from the, or the procedure of it from the book or notebook, wherever you have noted it, and just try to again write down the things with your own mind by drawing a simple rough sketch. So this is, I think this will be helpful to you for getting good marks in final examinations. So thank you very much.